It's not gonna do your face?
I mean, no, not right now. It's blank out, but what for?
What is it? So you can call your mom.
Oh.
March 22nd, 2025. A group of cars came flying past a state trooper at such extreme speed that his patrol car rocked side to side. The roar of modified engines was so loud that the trooper later said it sounded like he was standing at a racetrack. Within moments, the trooper was in pursuit, and he managed to pull one of them over. The body cam footage shows exactly what happened next.
We are in the mega replay parking lot. Get out with your hands up! Turn your car off! Felony stop. 2 occupants. Get out! Come back to the front of my car. Passengers, stay in there with your hands up. Who's the passenger? Just who? Noah, open the passenger side door. Step out to the sidewalk. Walk back here to the front of my car. Who else is in the vehicle? Just you two? Alright. I'm gonna have you, driver, right here, lay on the ground. Passenger, you're gonna lay right next to him.
I would feel more comfortable if you took, like, I don't want to get in trouble. So. I also, there's another one. It's in a bag in the back seat in the car.
Okay. Stay right here.
Yes, sir.
2247. I have the driver and passenger thrown out on the ground in front of my car, and they're saying nobody else was in the vehicle. Male passenger had a firearm. That's on my front seat. I'm gonna wait until 411 gets here to cuff up the driver and passenger. Four inch 1023. I got one. This guy handed me a gun. It was on his waistband. I took it off of him. I just gotta cuff him up and clear the car still. They said it was clear.
Yeah, but it put me in a shit
Four
situation.
and 2247, both are in custody. Anyone else can slow down. Vehicle's been cleared.
You want me to get up?
Hang on. I'll roll over to your butt. To your feet. Do you have anything on you?
I believe my wallet's in my pocket. If not, it might be in my car. I can't feel anything else in my pocket. If not, it's my phone.
Okay.
The bag, it has a Glock 19 in it. It's
Okay.
right behind the passenger side. Seat. What's up, sir?
How much? He said there's a bag in here that says he's the driver. The other 411 officer has a passenger. Has a Glock 19 in it. I have the passenger's firearm sitting on my front seat. So. I'm going to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
I understand.
Before you ask any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before you ask any questions, and to have him or her with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand these rights?
I understand.
Okay. At what point did you realize that I was behind you?
I was like, hanging out. I was trying
On the interstate?
Yeah, I was trying to get out of the situation, away from all the cars.
Why didn't you just stop? How fast were you guys going on the interstate? Because I didn't even get you on radar. I just know there's like
I was
two
the
groups
farthest back in the group.
There's
I
like
was
two
the
groups of 3 of
farthest
you
one behind
racing.
it.
Who's the? Well, there's a Charger. It's VL. I already know. I'm pretty sure I know his plate.
I don't know any of the other people.
Okay.
I was at a gas station, and I kind of just was like following cars, and then they all took off, and I was the last one farthest back in the
If
group.
you want to continue, you can. You can record, and also so you back in service if you're close. Putting this back in your car because I'm not paying for it. All right, so, well, come over here and sit in the car. Who's your passenger?
His name's Noah. I'll be honest with you, I met him tonight.
Okay. What situation were you trying to get out of?
Just away from all those cars.
Just away from all those cars? So then you decided to flee from me.
I was trying to
Genius move.
Yeah, wasn't very smart.
Well, guess what? You're the first street racer that I'm going to take to jail this year. How old are you?
19.
19?
Could I have my uncle come pick up this car?
No, that's getting towed.
Okay. I understand.
Your friend's walking too, so it's not going with him either.
I understand. Could I at least let my family know what impound lot it's going to?
Yeah,
or?
from jail you can. Sit down.
Okay.
With your rights in mind, how do you know the driver?
So I met him through a car group chat
Okay.
on Snapchat, and so I hit a deer in my car, and they were going out and taking pictures, and there was a crap ton of them. And he said, "Since your car's broke, do you want to ride with me?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." And then one started running, and then he took off, and then I just got caught in shit situation because I was the passenger.
What were you guys doing on the interstate?
They were roll racing,
Roll racing?
and we were behind them.
Okay. At what point did you realize that I was behind you?
I didn't know until he started taking that turn by IHOP.
By IHOP?
Yeah, because apparently he said you were blacked out sitting off on the side.
I was.
And then one started taking, I don't remember who was in front. One started taking off, and then he was like, and then we got over here, he goes, "Should I run or pull over?" I was like, "Dude, just pull over." I was like, "You're fucked either way." I was like, he goes, "Sorry, dude, I didn't mean to put you in this position because I wasn't even going to come out tonight." And then he asked me, and I said, "Sure."
Okay.
But this is the first time anything like this I've ever been in trouble like this.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you. Is your phone in the vehicle, or is your phone on you? It's up here. Okay. What else is in the car that's yours?
Just everything I had in my pockets.
That's nothing else.
Nope.
Okay. All right. You're gonna be. I'll tell you what. Is he buckled in? All right. Swivel your feet out.
You said what, sir?
Swivel your feet out. All right. Thank you. Step over here. Here's your ID back. We'll get your firearm back to you.
Yes, sir.
If you want to grab his phone or whatever he had on him, you're going to be cut loose. Call somebody to come pick you up. His car's getting towed.
Okay.
All right. Also, I would be real leery of who you get in a car with because these guys are going to probably doing this all summer.
Yes, sir.
And if your car is down and if it's one of these and you run, you're going to be in the same boat as him.
I've never ran. I never will. My brother's a Fort Wayne cop.
Okay.
But they.
Well, I would if you just met him tonight or on whatever app, I wouldn't do that again.
Yes, sir.
So you saw me sitting on the interstate, and then did you see me pull off of the shoulder?
Yeah, because I was like the last car in the back. I was kind of just following it all.
Okay.
do you guys all just meet up on
I didn't know
social
any of
media and then?
the one kid that was with me I knew from social media, but everyone else I didn't know. I kind of just was driving with him because I had seen him at a gas station. Just started following him.
I know I asked you, at what point did you see that I was behind you in my lights?
I didn't even honestly see that you were behind me until I turned into like this lot over here, like this spot over here.
But you knew that I was out there.
Yeah, I knew you were going somewhere. I was just trying to get away from all the people so I didn't, get hit by anyone else. But it was on me. It was a stupid decision.
Your firearm, I can't leave it at the jail, so it's just going to be put into evidence at the post for safekeeping.
Okay.
I'm not keeping it, not doing anything with it. You just have to set a date and time up to get it out of the post.
Okay.
Where's that bag? The brown bag, if your property.
It's like right under my feet, I believe.
It's not gonna do your face.
I mean, no, not right now. It's blank out, but what for?
What is it? Oh, so you can call your mom.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know. 1088.
This one?
I appreciate it a lot. Hey, Mom. So I'm going to the county jail, Allen County Jail. Fleeing and street racing. I wish I was kidding, but no, I fucked up. I'm not kidding. Yeah, you can talk to her.
Hey, this is Trooper Witsigruder with the Indiana State Police. So, I have your son Jackson here. He was involved. There was a group of cars that were street racing and followed him off the interstate. And then he continued trying to stop him and then pulled into a shopping center. So he's going to the Allen County Jail. He'll be booked in for the felony fleeing with a motor vehicle, level 6 felony, reckless driving, and the street racing. I know this is not probably how you wanted what phone call you wanted, but he is fine. No one is hurt. The car is not crashed. So be a learning lesson and never do it again.
The driver was later charged with resisting law enforcement, a level 6 felony, and reckless driving, a Class A misdemeanor. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.